Hello dear student, welcome back to the series of database management system. We have seen many commands, that means DCL commands, DML commands, DDL commands. Okay, so now we are going to implement all these commands once again. Okay, so this is an example where we are going to implement all these commands. Okay, so your first command is create table, correct? So we are going to create a table. Suppose we'll create a table, create table name, that means we can give employee as a name, create table employee. Okay, and here we have to give the column names, as I'll give e number and data type is int. Now we have seen we have to give the name primary key to the table, correct? Each table should contain primary key, so we'll give it as primary key. Okay, then we'll take e number, yeah, or e name, and we'll declare it as not null. Okay, okay, next is we can take age, and it should be int. Okay, and we'll take salary, and we'll take it as integer or float, anything you want. Okay, so we are creating table, create table employee, e number int primary key, in e name. Here we have forgotten to give varchar. Okay, varchar not null, age integer, and salary is integer. Okay, so our query is successfully created. That means our table is successfully created. Now what is the next? Next we have to insert the data into it, correct? So we are going to insert the data into it. Okay, we'll write insert into, what is our table name? Employee. Okay, values, and value is my, suppose employee number is 1, or you will write 1001. Okay, employee name is, suppose we are writing as Rohan. Okay, and now suppose my age is, suppose 35, and salary is, suppose 40,000. Okay, and we'll run it. So our first record is inserted. Okay, now we insert 2 3 records. Okay, we'll insert 2 3 records. Okay, next we'll insert 1003. Okay, next record is 1004. This is my primary key. Now suppose I do not write anything here. Okay, I don't give anything here, and I execute. Okay, so that means my result, it should not take any value, correct? So it should generate error. So I will write here. Okay, now see, unique constraint. I have given unique constraint. Okay, so that means here 1004 already exists, so it will not take. Okay, now the record got inserted. Now we'll write the query to display this table. So what is the query? Select star from employee. Okay, so this will display the table. Okay, now this is the table. Now suppose I want to alter this table and I want to add one more column. Okay, so what is the query? Alter table, name of the table, then you have to write add, suppose I want to add address as varchar. Okay, so one more column will get added into the query. Okay, now again we'll do select star, select star from employee, and we'll see one more column, address is added. Okay, Now suppose I want to give reference. Okay, that means I want to create a foreign key. Now how to create foreign key? We have to create one more table where this primary key of employee will act as a foreign key. So suppose I will create a table, create table department d number int primary key d name varchar, and we'll give reference of this table. So a reference of employee table, e number is a primary key there. So e number int references, that means refer the table employees e number. Okay, so it will refer the employee number of e number of employee table. Okay, e number into references employees e number. So here the table got created. Okay, now next is update query. Okay, now suppose I want to update my table. I want to update the data of my table. Okay, so what is the query? Update. What I want to update? Employee table. Update employee. Set. Suppose I want to change the salary. Salary equals to salary into suppose 1.03. Okay, and you can place the where condition. If you want to increase salary of all the employees, then do not place where condition, otherwise you will place the where condition where e name equals to, suppose I'll give it is Rohan. Okay, so only the salary of Rohan will get increase here. Okay, so if you'll select and see, the salary of Rohan will get increase. Now suppose next is you want to select the records of employee whose salary is greater than suppose 30,000 or 32,000. Okay, select star from employee where salary is greater than suppose 32,000. Okay, see, only these two records have salary greater than 32,000. Clear? Now next, in this query only, you can write two condition also, and age should be greater than suppose 35. Okay, now age of Rohan is 35. Okay, now I am giving the constraint that it should be greater than 35. Okay, now only one record will come. See, clear? So you can impose two conditions also. Okay, next is you can suppose I want to give name to my employee number as e number to as employee number. Okay, so I can change here, select e number as employee number, comma e name as employee name from employee where salary is greater than 32,000 and age is greater than 35,000. See, if I run, my e number got replaced by employee number, e name got replaced by employee name. Clear? So that means I can rename my columns. Okay, so these are some commands which we have studied. Okay, now next command is you can delete the table. Correct? For deleting the table we write drop table and name of the table. Okay, so my table will get deleted. Okay, drop table, table name employee. So if I run, the table got deleted. Now if I write select star from table, it will give me error as the table is not exist. Correct? So error is no such table employee. Clear? Clear all the commands? Okay.